Listen carefully, because this might surprise you. That bottle of olive oil sitting on your kitchen counter? It could be the secret to restoring the energy and drive you thought had vanished for good. I'm Dr. Luna, and for over 10 years, I've been helping men over 50 reclaim their vitality. Today, I'm sharing a simple, practical method that works. No gimmicky pills, no costly treatments, just a quick kitchen recipe you can make in 5 minutes that could transform the way you feel every day. Here's what we'll cover: why your energy dips as you age, how olive oil can help, and the exact recipe that's already helped thousands of men feel stronger, sharper, and more confident. Let's face it, after 50, things start to shift. Maybe you've noticed it yourself. You wake up drained. Your afternoons hit a slump. That spark you once had feels like it's fading. You're not imagining it. After 50, testosterone naturally declines by roughly 1% each year. And this isn't just about your love life, though that's affected too. Low testosterone touches every part of your life. Muscles lose strength, belly fat creeps up, your mind feels foggy, and your mood can take a dive. But here's the key: you don't have to just accept it. Your body wants to produce testosterone. It just needs the right fuel. Extra virgin olive oil isn't only for cooking. Studies show it can boost testosterone levels by 17 to 19% in as little as 3 weeks. That's significant. Why is it so effective? Think of testosterone like a high-performance engine. It needs the right fuel to run at its best. Your body synthesizes testosterone from healthy fats, and olive oil provides the highest quality fats available. But not just any olive oil will do. You need genuine, cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil, richly colored, with that unmistakable aroma. The cheap stuff from the bottom shelf won't give you results. Premium olive oil delivers healthy fats to your body, supports testosterone-producing cells with antioxidants, reduces inflammation, and naturally boosts your energy. Olive oil alone is powerful, but when combined with 4 additional ingredients, the effect is extraordinary. Each ingredient plays a critical role. Ingredient 1: fresh garlic. Yes, garlic. You might be skeptical, but garlic contains allicin, a compound that combats stress hormones. Stress hormones like cortisol actually suppress testosterone. Think of it like 2 people fighting over the same chair. Garlic kicks cortisol out, letting testosterone take its seat. On top of that, garlic enhances blood flow. Better circulation means stronger erections, more energy, and that revitalized feeling of being fully alive. Ingredient 2: fresh lemon juice. Don't underestimate lemon. It's packed with vitamin C, which shields your testosterone-producing cells from damage. Healthy cells work more efficiently. Lemon also helps stabilize blood sugar, and when your blood sugar stays balanced, your hormones stay balanced too. When your blood sugar stays steady, testosterone production can run smoothly. Ingredient 3: ginger root. For centuries, men have relied on ginger to boost energy and performance, and modern science confirms it works. Research shows ginger can raise testosterone by 17% or more. It does this by reducing chronic inflammation, which is like rust on a car engine, slowing everything down. Ginger helps clear that rust so your hormone-making systems operate at full strength. Ingredient 4: Turmeric combined with black pepper. This golden spice is a natural powerhouse. Turmeric contains curcumin, which calms inflammation throughout the body. But here's the secret. Without black pepper, your body barely absorbs any curcumin. Just a pinch of black pepper increases absorption by 2,000%, making all the difference. Together, turmeric and black pepper create the ideal environment for testosterone while keeping inflammation in check. Here's how to make the mix. Start with 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Crush 1 fresh garlic clove and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix in half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. Powder works too. Finally, add a pinch of turmeric and just a dash of black pepper. Stir it all together. You can take it as a shot or drizzle it over salads or vegetables. The taste is earthy and bold. Some love it immediately, others need a few tries. But your body will thank you. Timing matters. Take this mixture with dinner each evening. Why? Because most testosterone production happens while you sleep. Want to boost results even more? Add these simple habits. Zinc, essential for testosterone. Eat pumpkin seeds, beans, or lean meat a few times a week. Magnesium, helps control stress hormones. Almonds or leafy greens are perfect. Stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens blood and reduces circulation, so drink water throughout the day and keep alcohol moderate. Move your body, just 20 minutes of walking or light weights signals your muscles. They're still important. Here's what thousands of my patients report. Week 1, subtle changes. You may not notice much yet, but your body is responding. Week 2, morning energy improves and afternoon crashes decrease. Week 3 and beyond, that's when the real transformation shows up. Waking, rested, sustained energy, better mood, restored confidence, and yes, improvements in the bedroom too. This isn't magic. It's giving your body exactly what it's been missing. The right nutrients, at the right time, in the right combination. Here's your action plan. Commit to this mixture every evening for 30 days. Pair it with decent sleep, light daily movement, and consistent hydration. Give your body a full month of support and you'll feel the difference. This isn't about turning back time. It's about feeling strong and confident at any age. Your 50s, 60s, and beyond can be some of your best years if you give your body what it needs. Age doesn't have to mean slowing down. It can mean leveling up. Start this recipe tonight. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with a friend who could use this boost. And don't forget to subscribe to 360-Degree Men's Health. I share practical health tips like this every week. Together, we can help more men discover that aging doesn't mean getting weaker. It means getting smarter about taking care of yourself. This is Dr. Luna, wishing you strength, energy, and confidence at every stage of life.